What's up guys? I'm Lnadan with LMR.com. Today I'll be discussing the simple steps on how to remove the taillights from a 2005 to 2009 Mustang. This video is going to cater to any 2005 to 2009 Mustang owner that is upgrading or replacing the taillight assemblies or servicing a defective bulb. So let's get right into it. To begin, open the trunk and then disconnect the negative battery cable since we'll be working with electrical components. With the trunk open, use a push pin tool to dislodge the two rearward push pins located near the trunk striker. Dislodge the other two push pins on the front side of the rear trim piece. Rotate the two upper retainers counterclockwise to remove them from the studs. Lift up on the rear trim piece and remove it from the car. Disconnect the taillight electrical connection. Loosen and remove the three 11mm taillight retaining nuts. One of the nuts is easy to get to, while the other two are behind the trunk carpeting, so gently roll that forward to gain access. With all the nuts removed, carefully bring the taillight towards you. Dislodge the grommet, and then the taillight can be removed from the car. Of course, use this opportunity to clean any dirt and debris from this area. Repeat the same steps for the other taillight. Now, to reinstall the taillights, simply reverse the removal steps. To see more helpful videos without all of the riffraff, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and be sure you turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. Of course, for all things S197 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.